The first of three ways to report an absence is by calling the toll-free number at 1-833-582-6940. Press 3 for absences and follow the prompts. After entering the absence, be sure to press 1 to confirm and wait for your confirmation number. The absence has now been recorded and your child's school will be notified. To record an absence online, you will first log into PowerSchool at sishrsb.ednet.ns.ca/public. From there, you will log in with your username and password. If you have never logged in or forgot your password, follow the written instructions and you will receive a link to reset your password. Your username will always be the full email that the school has on file for you. Once in PowerSchool, from the left-hand menu option, choose SchoolMessenger. Once in SchoolMessenger, click on the menu bar, choose Attendance, choose Report an Absence, choose your student, the type of absence, which is full day or multiple day, the reason, which will be absent with notification, the date, and hit Send. To use the app, visit the App Store or Google Play and download the SchoolMessenger app. When signing in for the first time, your username must be the full email that the school has on record for you. After signing into the app and clicking on the menu bars, choose Attendance. Next, click the purple plus sign at the bottom to report an absence. Continue following the prompts and hit Save, and your absence will be recorded with SchoolMessenger and the school will be notified. For each of the three reporting methods, families can report either a full day absence or a multiple day absence. For each type of absence, families must choose a reason of absent with notification. If your child will be late or only missing part of the day, report the absence as a full day absence, and when the student arrives at school, the attendance will be adjusted. To learn more, visit hrce.ca/SafeArrival.